Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's question is intersection in Y-shaped list. This question also comes from Goldman Sachs company, and I am putting this question into my Goldman Sachs playlist. So here it is. The question is, we have to find the intersection between the list, between this linked list. From the example, we can see that is 444 from this list and 4 from this list are intersected with this 4, so the output is 4. From this list we can see that this list is 4 1 and other list is starting from 5 6 1 intersecting at 8, so the output is 8. Now we are going to implement it with three approaches. The first one is naive approach. The idea behind that approach is for each node in list A, traverse the entire list B. We will traverse the entire list B and check if any node is the same by reference. So this is our brute force method. Let's get into that. We will declare current A is equal to head of 1 while current A exists, then current B is equal to head of 2. है ना? While current B is exist, then if current A is current B, if it is current B, then we return our current A and current node, current list A. If it is not the case, then current B is equal to current B dot next. We are updating our current B, and simply outside of the while loop we are update our current A as current A dot next. Simply, if you don't find it, we return none. Let's run it. I think we implement good. The implementation is right. Now we submit it. Oh, we are getting time limit exceed because the complexity of this method, the brute force method, is O of m cross n. But the space complexity is very good. It is big O of 1. Now we are going to use a better approach. We are going to use hash map for this now, because in this idea we traverse list A and store all nodes in our set, or we can say hash set. Then we traverse B and check if any node is present in the set. That's the intersection point. So we will declare our visit at set. Now we check while our head 1 exists, then we add our head 1 in our visit set. Sorry, head 1, and we update our head 1 as head 1 dot next. Now for head B, while head 2, or we can say 2, head 2, if our head 2 in visited and in our visit set, then we return head 2 and we will update our head 2 as head 2 dot next. If we don't find the intersection, then we return none. Now see, our case is completed. Let's see if this one will work. I think it will work because the complexity is good. But for this we have other better approach. In this approach we are going to use two pointer technique, and this will going to be very efficient for the space, and the time complexity for this is going to be O m plus n. So now we are going to implement our base case. If not head 1 or not head 2, if both head 1 and head 2 not exist, then we return simply none. Now we declare our pointer as p1, p2 as head of 1 for p1 and head of 2 for p2, while p1 is not p2. If our p1 is not p2, then p1 is equal to p1 dot next if p1 exists, else we will get our head 2. Now for the p2, p2 dot next if p2 exists, else head 1. Now we simply return our p1, sorry, p1. Now we compile it. See guys, it is working, and now I am going to submit. And this approach is fast, and as well as space complexity of this approach is very good. So I suggest you guys, you should use two pointer in this question. Now for this I'm adding this question into my Goldman Sachs playlist. That in the description you can find the link, and also you can visit my channel. In this you can also directly search for the playlist for Goldman Sachs interviews question. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and like and share. Thank you.